Welcome to Best Reviews. Today we've got 5 exciting electric dirt bikes designed for kids and teens who love off-road adventures. From beginner-friendly models to high-performance machines, these bikes are packed with features that make every ride exciting. Let's jump right in. Number 5. KOOZ HP112 E-Pro. The KOOZ HP112 E-Pro is built for young riders looking to experience the thrill of off-road riding. Powered by a 36-volt 1,000-watt motor, this electric dirt bike reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, while offering 3 selectable speed modes, allowing riders to gradually build confidence. A full charge delivers up to 19 miles of riding, making it ideal for extended outdoor adventures. The bike also features front and rear dual suspension, dual disc brakes, durable 16-inch pneumatic tires, and a sturdy frame capable of handling rough trails with ease. With its reliable performance and safety-focused design, it's ready for countless outdoor adventures. Number 4. RFN E350. The RFN E350 is designed specifically for younger riders between the ages of 4 and 8. It features a 36-volt 500-watt brushless motor capable of reaching speeds up to 18.6 miles per hour, along with 3 adjustable speed settings that let parents match the bike to a child's skill level. Its battery delivers up to 11 miles of riding and fully recharges in about 2.5 hours. The waterproof LED dashboard keeps riders informed of speed and battery status, while the adjustable frame, dual suspension, and knobby all-terrain tires provide comfort and stability across dirt paths and grassy trails. Number 3. Blissskip. The Blissskip electric dirt bike delivers lightweight performance for young off-road enthusiasts. Equipped with a responsive 350-watt brushless motor and a 36-volt lithium battery, it reaches speeds of up to 18.6 miles per hour, with 3 selectable riding modes. Built around a lightweight frame, it offers excellent handling, while front and rear shock absorbers smooth out uneven terrain. 14-inch inflatable tires, front and rear disc brakes, and an adjustable riding setup help create a comfortable and controlled riding experience for children exploring trails and open spaces. Number 2. KOOZ HP115E. The KOOZ HP115E takes electric off-road performance to another level. Featuring a powerful 60-volt 2,000-watt brushless motor with a peak output of 3,000 watts, this dirt bike reaches speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Riders can also reduce the speed using the built-in variable speed dial, making it adaptable for different experience levels. A removable 60-volt lithium battery provides up to 18 miles of riding per charge. Built for demanding terrain, it includes hydraulic disc brakes, an advanced inverted hydraulic front fork, rear suspension, aggressive off-road tires, and an IPX6 waterproof rating that helps it perform in challenging outdoor conditions. Number 1. RFN SX E500. The RFN SX E500 is a compact yet capable electric dirt bike designed to introduce young riders to serious off-road fun. Its 500-watt motor with 700 watts of peak power delivers lively acceleration and a top speed of approximately 21.7 miles per hour through 3 selectable riding modes. The 36-volt 7.5 ampere-hour battery provides up to 15.5 miles of range, or around 75 minutes of riding in eco mode, while recharging takes only 2 to 3 hours. Lightweight construction, a low seat height, dual suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and durable all-terrain tires combine to create a stable, confidence-inspiring ride for kids learning to tackle dirt trails. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this roundup of exciting electric dirt bikes, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of the newest technology, outdoor gear, and innovative products. Let us know in the comments which electric dirt bike caught your attention the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.